DJI Neo has arrived. Where is the charger? They only provided a data cable. How can I charge it? You still need to choose a suitable charger. Today, Licktop will recommend which charger is compatible with the DJI Neo. If you purchase the DJI Neo, we recommend a 20-watt or 30-watt charger. The official data for the drone only states it supports a maximum charging power of 15 watts. Our Licktop 20-watt charger fully supports charging the drone at maximum power. In practical tests, it matches the official data, taking about 50 minutes to charge from 0 to full. Switching to a 30-watt charger provides more stable power. If you purchase the DJI Neo combo, we recommend using a 65-watt charger. This is because the combo includes a charging hub. The hub's official data states it supports a maximum charging power of 60 watts. Using a 65-watt charger to charge the hub in actual tests shows that the power gradually rises and stabilizes at 60.6 watts. Switching to a 65-watt portable charger and testing again, we can fully reach the official power limits without any problems. If you want to charge multiple devices while charging the hub, we recommend the Licktop 100-watt GaN fast charger. It has a total of 4 ports to USB-A and to USB-C. Use it freely. In practical tests, we can see that charging both the remote controller and the hub simultaneously can achieve a power output of 74.6 watts. There are also 2 additional ports available for charging phones and other devices. We hope everyone understands which type of charger your DJI Neo needs after watching the video. Happy flying every day!